Welcome to a heartwarming tale of friendship in the animal kingdom. Before we dive into the story of the brave lion and the clever mouse, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Once upon a time, in the vast and untamed savannah, there lived a powerful and majestic lion. He was known far and wide for his strength and ferocity. One sunny day, he decided to take a nap beneath the shade of a towering acacia tree. Little did he know, this would mark the beginning of an incredible adventure. Under the very same acacia tree, a tiny mouse had made its home in a small hole at its base. Despite its small and frail appearance, the mouse was full of curiosity and life. On this particular day, it was busily collecting crumbs of cheese to store for the upcoming winter, unaware that this day would be different from any other. As the lion peacefully slumbered, he shifted his massive paw, unintentionally trapping the little mouse beneath it. The mouse, initially frightened, quickly displayed its resourcefulness by nibbling on a thorn to free the lion's paw. Slowly, the lion began to awaken, sensing the tiny creature's efforts. To his surprise, when the lion opened his eyes, he saw the mouse. Instead of seeing a potential meal, he looked into the mouse's tiny eyes and saw courage, not fear. The mouse, now free from the thorn, gazed back at the lion with gratitude. In that very moment, a unique bond formed between two creatures who, under ordinary circumstances, would have been adversaries. Time passed, and one day, the little mouse heard the lion's roar of distress. Rushing to the lion's side, the mouse found the mighty beast ensnared in a hunter's net. Drawing upon its small size, the mouse darted through the openings in the net, nibbling away at the ropes and setting the lion free. The lion was overwhelmed with gratitude for the mouse's bravery and determination. The two friends stood side by side, the torn net lying at their feet. The once fearsome lion realized that strength comes in many forms and that true friendship knows no boundaries. Word of this remarkable friendship spread throughout the savannah, touching the hearts of other animals. They, too, saw the value of unity and diversity. The lion, mouse, and a multitude of other animals gathered around a watering hole, celebrating their shared camaraderie. The tale of the lion and the mouse teaches us a powerful lesson about the importance of kindness, compassion, and the strength of friendship. No matter how different we may seem, we can all find common ground and support one another in times of need. In the grand savannah of life, we've witnessed the lion and the mouse unite in friendship. If you enjoyed this heartwarming tale, please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Together, we can build a community that celebrates kindness and unity.